para ma-enjoy mo yung savings at the same time you become healthy. Alright? And then what do? Yung turuan mo yung 5, sila naman yung responsible dun sa 5 kinuha nila na kumuha ng tag-5. Alright? Ikaw support ka na lang. Para lahat tayo nagdo-duplicate dito. Duplication, by the way, is doing same simple things. Okay, duplication. Many people doing same simple things many times over. Meaning, maraming tao ginagawa yung simpleng bagay ng paulit-ulit. Ganun lang po yan. So ikaw, tinuruan mo yung 5, sila naman yung gagawin. And then yung 25 naman na kinuha nila, sila naman yung magiging responsible dun sa kukunin nilang kumuha ng tagpa 5. So ayan po, kikita ka ng 350 on your level 4. Ayan po. Tuloy-tuloy lang po yan, palaki ng palaki. Pag nag-level 5 ka, diamond ka na. Ayan na po yung kinita nyo sa fast start pa lang. Let's say for example, level 6. And assuming this is happening monthly. Meaning month 1, nakakuha ka ng 5. Month 2, yung 5 nakuha mo, naging responsable at kumuha rin ng tag-5. Month 3, yung 5 kinuha nila, naging responsable at kumuha rin ng tag-5. All the way up to month 6, ito po yung kinita mo. You earn a total of $22,473.50. That's 1.3 million. At ang maganda nito, yung organization mo, ganito nakalaki 19,505 members. Kasi di ba rin sinabi ko, pag diamond ka na, you get to enjoy up to level 10 pagdating sa fast start. Ayan po, tuloy-tuloy lang natin. By the way, by level 7, crown diamond ka na. Kung tuloy-tuloy yung duplication. Again, ano yung duplication? Many people doing same simple things many times over. Paulit-ulit, maraming tao ginagawa ang same na simpleng bagay ng paulit-ulit. Do the math. Hindi ko na po kinumpute the math. Pero this will reach up to 300 million pesos. Ganyan po kalaki kung magiging tuloy-tuloy ang duplication. So the key here, invite people and duplicate yourself to them. Alright? Fast start pa lang yan. Magkano na yung matrix mo niyan? Di ba 19,505 times 25 cents? You get to receive 4,876.25. That's 282,000 pesos. E di ba may matching ka pa dyan? So lahat ng direct mo, di ba? Let's say for example, by the way, kinumpute ko nga pala to, yung matrix nila at that time, nasa 976.25 na, 50% sa'yo. Lima sila, that's 2,440. Tapos ito naman, yung matrix nila niyan is already 195. May 10% ka pa, generation bonus, 25 sila, 487.50. Realistic lang po to. Alright? Yan po, yan yung kanilang mga matrix, and since meron kang corresponding percentage generation bonus, yan po yung kikitain nyo. But look at this, pag tinotal mo yan, that's $3,521. That's 204,000 pesos. Right? So, saan ka dinala ng 49.95 mo? Instead na nag-uwi ka lang ng 2 shopping bag ng groceries, eto, since dinala mo sa Live Good, eto yung kinita mo. In 6 months time, kung mangyayari yan in 6 months. Pero, yan, ayan kinita mo, 1.3 na fast start, 282,000 ng matrix, 204,000 na matching, and let's say for example, diamond ka na, di ba? May diamond bonus pool. Ito, understatement na naman, 232,000 lang kunyari yung diamond bonus pool. Ang kinita mo is 2,020,000 pesos. Alright? Ang maganda niyan, yung matrix matching tsaka diamond bonus pool, monthly na yan at palaki lang po ng palaki yan. That's 719,000 monthly income for you. Pag nag-crown diamond ka pa, madadagdagan ka pa crown diamond bonus pool. And it's all started with your $49.95. Yes. Sino may gusto niyan? Ako, gusto ko yan. Kaya ako nag-affiliate member. Now, if you are a guest tonight, or if you're listening in Facebook and you're not yet part of Live God, I'm telling you, day is the day to become a Live Good affiliate. Any